Well, that's as good as you're gonna get. You wanna know a little bit about my layout? Then you better stick around. Yo, what's up everybody? What's going on? Haha! If it's your first time here, then I want to thank you so much for checking out this channel and this video right here, and I encourage you to scope around my channel, and if you like what you see, then give me the thumbs up, and if you want to see new videos from me, then please hit that subscribe button and ring my bell. Ting, 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 ting. What? You cannot see me at all.
I'm
like
dark.
This is just a test. And I'm not liking it. How's that? Oh man, so what's up everybody? How's everybody doing? Yeah. So, you wanna know a little bit about my layout?
Check it out, guys.
It's gonna be called the BNC Systems short line. Alright? The BNC is my two favorite railroads put together, which is Burlington Northern and Chessie Systems. So that's what it's going to be, the name of it. And it's going to be a switching layout. It's going to be 9.5 by 12 modulars, because it's going to be in the garage. I'm going to put it on some wheels. So I can roll it around, get it out of the way. You know what I'm saying? That's a good idea, right? I think so. You can't see me. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Now you really can't see me. Now we're in the dark. This is kind of cool, right? All right, so check it out. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing here. Wow, you made it this far into the video? Yo, that's so cool. Thank you guys so much. Here's a thumbs up. Here's a thumbs up. What in the world? So, yeah, so after that'll be, I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little, not history, but, what? Man, this is weird doing this at night with the light on and trying to think. I shouldn't be doing this, but I'm having fun. So check it out. I want to thank you guys for sticking this far out in the video. It's hard to see me. This is a funny, kooky video here, Drivlog. And I just want to thank you guys for everything. My channel's going up pretty good right now, so that's all you guys. So check it out. I want to thank you guys so much. I need a light over there. I want to thank you. Keep hitting that thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. And if you like the video, then hit subscribe and ring the bell, you know. And leave me some comments, ask me some questions, and I'll do a Q&A video, all right? Whatever you want to know about the railroad or anything. everything, a Mustang or whatever. With all that being said, I just want to thank you guys so much for everything that you do for me. Giving you the thumbs up. It's 2018. I want it to be a good year, alright? So what do I always say? Keep it on the rails. I just want to thank you guys for sticking this far out in the video.